Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to work in the Dollar Tree planner. The Dollar Tree planner is in this cover by Moterm, which was given to me in Happy Mail. And I'll be doing the 2022 Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner and Journal Challenge. The prompt this week is masks. So I've pulled out quite a few things here to work with. I have this Versamagic chalk ink. So I have a purple color, like a yellowy orange color, and the green. The green isn't quite the color green I need, but I'm gonna make that work. I pulled out, of course, my stamp block, and I'm gonna use one of these stamps to make a background on the page. I pulled out this doll. She's the only doll that I had that was close to wearing a mask. Her name is Jade. She's from Isis Ella Jewels, so I'll be using her. And I have some digitals that I printed last year for Mardi Gras, so I'm going to be pulling from some of those. So I have this, I have the balloons for Mardi Gras, and of course I have the mask. These are leftover stickers from a kit. I don't even know if this kit is still available on my site. I can't remember. But some of these were available to patrons. So if you're a patron, you can go back and look, or I'll try to find them and pull them up. I've been trying to focus on pulling some of the old things forward before they go away. Okay, so I have all this washi tape here from Simply Gilded. These are just some washis that I had in my stash. These are specifically Mardi Gras washis that came out recently. So did this with the mask. I think this is perfect. And then this is the city scene. I would love to be able to incorporate this, but I don't know if I will be able to because the color scheme, even though it's close with the purple sky, it's not quite right. It's a little too dark, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to set this aside for now, and let's play around with the stamping. I hope I'm not about to make a big mess, but okay. So this is last week, which was peaches and cream. We had the journaling spot flip, and I did a video showing different ways to do this. So this was one of the ones that I did in the video, and then this is the other one, and this is what we'll be working on for this week. So before we go further, I'm going to do some whiting out as always. I might start doing the white out in advance as like a prep, so that for one, I don't have to edit it out, and for two, you don't have to wait on me to do it. Oh, and the washing machine is going. My youngest just came in here and put a load in. I was gonna ask him to wait, but it's okay. Maybe I should get a soundproofing door or something put on that room. So that's Ash Wednesday, Mardi Gras. All right, let's play with the stamp. So I don't know why I feel like this stamp has something to do with Mardi Gras, but I think it does. I just don't know what, but I want to use it in my spread. And I've had these stamps. They are Dilutions by Dilutions. I've had them for a while and never used them. So we're breaking them in today. Hopefully I need to go invest in some blocks. And I've been seeing people doing hauls from Hobby Lobby lately, and I have been resisting because I don't need any more supplies, but I might go see if they have. I'm trying not to go. Let me say that. I'll try not to go. All right. So this is my little paper that I was using to test them. And let's see, I'm gonna need a masking paper. So I'll use one of these. And let's see what we can do. I'm still gonna need something up at the top to cover up the whiteout. We'll cross that. Well, I can use the masks for that. Okay. I don't want to do anything too dark, so I'm going to do a second generation stamping. Maybe I should put something under here so that it doesn't go onto the next page. That's not cute. So maybe I should do it a little darker. Let's wipe that off. It's not the look I was going for. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try some more purple, and I'll probably not be happy with it, but let's do it. I might not use the green because I already know it's just too light for this. Let me go back up here and try this. I'll just stamp over it. Let's see what we can do from there. Stamp this off. All right, let's begin. Let's see if I can do something with this washi tape up here. And I'm probably gonna end up covering most of that. And maybe I can use this in here. Let's see. Yep, I'm going to. So we'll use the city scene in here. So this isn't a solid green washi, but I think it can work. I hope it works. Let's do this one in the middle. It's a little strange, and the stamping really didn't work out the way that I thought it could, but at least I got it on here. All right, again, the doll is from Isis Ella Jewels. Let's see if I can use these dates or days of the week. I can't believe this. I don't have a Friday. That means I gotta go print and cut. So I had to take a quick break and go print, and I'm not even sure that these printed and cut right. Hopefully they did. Yeah, something's off about this, and I don't know why they came apart. It's weird, but I'll do a little sticker surgery and put it back together. Okay, so I think this looks nice on this background. I wish I'd have done more, but again, I didn't want to mess anything up. But maybe we can do it without the block. Let's try it without the block. Do it, or art journal style and stamp without the block. I hope I'm not making a big, huge mistake. Probably put too much ink. Let's stop. All right, so I can put this away and bring this back. I'm gonna split this in half. I got the dropsies today. Keep dropping everything. Okay, let's get to the masks. Let's see what we can do with the boxes. Let's play with this washi a little bit. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. Got a little mixed media up in there, but not a lot. I use washi tape from Simply Gilded. The doll is from Isis Ella Jewels, and everything else is from Scrapcraft-tastic. The boxes, except this one, all the boxes are available to patron elites. And let's see. Yeah, this washi tape is Simply Gilded too. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcrafttastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcrafttastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcrafttastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.